Alright, so you'll be hearing the bike sound. So all set to ride to Dhanushkodi. This is a night view. It's about 5:30 in the morning. We are set. That's my BM. That's us Booza. Does the gate exist? Still moon is visible, but we'll see. I think we'll miss the sunrise, but let's see. Let's hop on. Gotten used to the bike so much because I was riding in extreme bad roads yesterday. Not bad roads, extremely narrow, steep roads. So gotten used to it. So that's the plan. So what's the time? 48 minutes, 34 kilometers. That's quite a bit distance. But you have to ride, no other option. You need to go to that place. I think I've got the towel. So it's 5:56 a.m. in the morning, so they only open at 6. So I thought it's gonna be blocked out traffic, but right on the money. First one to get into the Dhanushkodi, like I said. When you have big bikes, that's the advantage. You can always keep a buffer. First one to enter Dhanushkodi at this morning. Then of course Tilak sir is right behind me. He would have opened the throttle, would have come so far. I think tomorrow morning, this time only we should leave. Because late in the evening, after 10 and all, it's gonna be chaotic. But yeah, sun is yet to rise. It looks little gloomy though. Straight dead end is this one, Dhanushkodi. Straight point, 16 kilometers, long stretch. Hope I don't go so far, so I'm gonna just fly away from the seashore. Should be there now, one chopri. Dhanushkodi in how many number of seconds you want to count? The entire seashore. I'm not sure how much the camera is able to make justice, but this entire seashore, left and right, and then there is Dhanushkodi right in between. That's the lighthouse. Entering Point Alpha. Confirm G range. Let me know which movie dialogue is this. There's so many shops over here. I think while coming by you can't keep up the space because there will be too much of incoming traffic. Kurimari, Kurimari. Almost there, almost there. 4.2, 4.1, 4, 3, 2. There's a lorry, full seashore. Some government bus. Oh shit, I think I rammed on a crab. I think so. I could not do anything. I don't know whether it was visible or not, but I definitely rammed on a crab. That's the point. This is the where they actually take this drone shot, everything. First to make it here, man. First to make it here. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, here we are. Finally made it. Anyone wants to jump? Jump, 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 jump. Whoa, fish. This is the logo.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town,